In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from a web file into Google Sheets on desktop. This process is incredibly useful for those times when you need to work with online data, whether you're analyzing trends or gathering information for a report. Let's dive into it and take you through the steps in a clear and straightforward way. To begin, open Google Sheets and get started by creating a new blank sheet. This fresh sheet will serve as the canvas where we will import our data. The next thing you'll want to do is click on an empty cell where you would like the imported data to appear. Selecting the right starting cell is important because from there, the data will fill across and down as needed. Now, here's where the magic happens. If you want to import a table from a web page, you can use a specific formula. Just type in the formula. Equals import HTML, open parenthesis, quotation mark, URL, close quotation mark, comma, table, comma, 1, close parenthesis. The URL part should be replaced with the actual web page address from which you want to import the table. This formula tells Google Sheets to pull structured data organized as a table from the web page you've chosen. But what if the web page contains lists instead of tables? No worries, we've got you covered. In this case, you should modify the formula slightly. You're going to use equals import HTML, open parenthesis, quotation mark, URL, end quotation mark, comma, list, comma, 1, close parenthesis. This will allow you to import lists from the web page directly into your sheet. Sometimes, the data you're dealing with might be in a CSV or TSV file format that's hosted online. In such scenarios, you can use the import data function. The formula is pretty straightforward. Equals import data, open parenthesis, quotation mark, URL, close quotation mark, close parenthesis. Again, remember to replace URL with the link to the file you wish to import. This method works excellently for files that are accessible via a public link and are in one of those common formats. Once you've entered the appropriate formula for your needs, you'll press Enter. Now, it's time for a little patience while Google Sheets does its magic and pulls in the data. Depending on the size of the data and your internet connection, this might take a few moments. You'll see the data populating into your sheet, allowing you to begin working with it right away. And there you have it. That's how you import data from a web file into Google Sheets on desktop. This technique opens up a world of possibilities for data analysis and management, and I hope it helps streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy data importing.